welcome back to Tinker Lab Stream Projects Motor Machines at Home, and today I am going to show you what to build. Can you guess from these materials? My name is Chaitanya Pisat, and today I am going to show you a magic illusion. So what I have taken is a blank sheet of paper. I have taken the colored paper and I have taken the pen that matches the color over here. What I am going to do is I am going to take this pen and write anything on this paper, and then let's begin. So I have finished. I have just written I will disappear behind green, and now let's see the magic. I hope you can see this paper. And what we will do is, it's just simple. We will take this color paper and 3, 2, 1. Can you see any writing on it? It just did it what it said. So what is behind it is the same color matches over here, and it just gets merged to the paper, and it looks like it is the part of the paper. Thanks for watching this video, and bye.